Right, so I've bought the next project car already. Andy doesn't know about it. It has been here a while. Well, I'll explain the story a bit later on, but we're going to introduce Andy to it. He doesn't know. He knows the car, but he doesn't know that we've bought it. Well, I bought it for the channel, so we'll get his reaction and see what he says. Right, so I'll show you his car before Andy gets here, and then we'll show Andy. So it's a 2013 CLA 180 petrol. I'll explain the rest of the story why we've ended up with it later on. I'll show you it now. Right, I've got something to show you. Come in, it's in back room. Let's go through. Let's go. Right, are you ready?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Here we are, look.
Yeah.
You know what this is?
Mercedes.
Not just any Mercedes. This is our new project car. What's up?
It's a ghost, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but I don't buy them working, do I?
So you bought it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fabulous.
So
what are you going to do about the fact it probably wants an engine?
well, I did think about this, and I have preempted this. So, if you follow me, I'll show you. Come with me. Into the next room. So I thought about this and prepared. So, if you can see behind me, I've got another one.
That looks a lot like you bought two cars.
Yeah, I have. Surprise. I told you I've got a problem.
Remember this conversation we had where we said, buy one, fix it, sell it, buy one, fix one, sell it.
Yeah.
How many were sold?
Well, I'm keeping golf, so that don't count. So.
Oh, okay. How many were sold?
Well, none.
How many were bought?
Well, 4. Right, it's all right.
The ratio is not right.
It will do. It will work itself out. Now, I've got this one just for engine.
I hope so, because it's a bit broke.
Yeah, it is a bit damaged. I'll show you around it.
Callum's not going to be happy to see this.
Callum will love it.
Right, so we're in what appears to be our newly acquired Merc. So run me through how we've ended up with this now.
Right, so I had a customer ring me. We were on the way to Cleethorpes for a holiday, and their car broke down on motorway, which is not far from garage. When they got it dropped off by RAC, we had a look at it and we knew there was a big problem straight away. So they went off and on the holiday, and we looked at it. We've diagnosed it.
No problems with
it. We diagnosed it and let the customer know that it was going to be quite an expensive repair. He's gone through his finance company and they've basically wrote the car off and said they don't want the car back. We've bought it off him.
We have already diagnosed, but we are going to run through what we've done and how we came to when it was a customer's car. Yeah. The fact it is as it is, and it does need an engine.
And that is why I bought another one ready. So I kept it a bit of a secret from Andy. I think he thought it was just getting collected. So, but yeah, we'll guide you through how we did it, and we'll show you, and we'll show the results we got. Cause I think it's quite interesting anyway.
Yeah. Well, this one will make a nice car. To be honest, we just need to.
And for what I paid for it, you know, I thought I had made a mistake. Once I'd paid for it, I then looked at the price of engines, and the engines were £2,500 to buy an engine, so it kind of would knock a lot of the profit out of it. But what we'll do is at the end of the video, or when it's all done, we'll show you the breakdown of what it's cost us. So yeah.
I'll make some money out of this one.
There you go.
If we ever sell it.
We will sell it. I can't promise I won't buy another before we sell it, but yeah, it'll be sold. Right, so we're just going to start it up and make sure it all starts and runs and sounds as it should before we rip it out and put it in somewhere else. Yeah. Hey, you can stop now. What's mileage on it?
It is, I don't know, 93.
Sound.
Not horrendous. I haven't even got the airbag lights. The only one light it's got on is tire pressure.
Yeah.
And something about bonnet malfunction, but that might have something to do with it.
Right, so what we're going to do now is, because it blew all oil out of the oil cap, we're going to just put some smoke into the cylinder, into the oil system to see if it blows out any cylinders. If it is, it'll give it a massive giveaway that that's what's wrong. I'm going to just wait till pressure builds up. Where's it smoking from? Mate, the thing is not even connected.
So we're going to try again now. Josh has worked out how to smoke tree. So really we already suspect there's something wrong with that cylinder, isn't there?
Yeah.
As far as no compression. What we need to get to is it an head gasket or is it the block?
Well, this is just confirming it that it's something to do with pressure in oil. That it's the reason it blew it all out. Oh, you can see it now. Look. You can see that on camera now.
That's cylinder one. We've checked the other cylinders. Nothing. 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 Cylinder one. Yeah. Right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to compression test it, and we'll see if any of the cylinders down. What the original fault was when it came in was it was misfiring on one of the cylinders, and all this was covered in dripping oil, so it obviously blown out of the oil cap. So what we're going to do is compression test all the cylinders and see if we've got any dead cylinders. Right, so what we're looking for is an even number across all 4 cylinders. So that's what we've just had out of this one, and we'll show you the next one.
Cylinder 2. Go on, Caleb.
Yeah. That is a little bit down, but we'll see.
Battery's a bit tired though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, just swap it over to number 1. How much compression has your boxer got, Callum?
Boxer, it's got quite a bit. Too much, that's why it spits it out the bottle.
So, cylinder 1.
Go on then. So as you can see, it's got absolutely nothing. So just to confirm this, we'll do another little test and we'll show you.
So what we did, obviously we've done the tests with the smoke, we've done the compression test, but just to confirm whether it were head gasket failure or whether it's something lower down, piston rings, could be a crack in a cylinder, anything like that. We poured some oil down into sit on top of a piston basically and see if the oil stayed there, it's head gasket 'cause it's higher up. If it doesn't stay there, it's lower down, so it's terminal. And it's fair to say it stayed there for all of about 2 minutes.
Yeah. We did it intending to go overnight, and by the time we'd locked up we had a quick check and it were all gone, so it's safe to say it's goosed.
So yeah, so that's where we're at. That's the reason for the other car. It's cheaper to get an engine, to get an entire car than it were to buy an engine, because they're expensive, aren't they?
Yeah, well, engines are $2,500.
Yeah.
And the car's a lot less.
We didn't pay any of that, so. So yeah, that's it. We're on with this engine out. Calum's coming to gears in hand. Yeah.